So first of all the very best, because you will be starting your new journey in Georgia of medical doctor. It's a prestigious career that anyone can opt for. So of course we got to know a lot from you on why did you select medicine. Just once, can you just let our audience know why have you decided Georgia?
So first of all, I chose medicine because from a young age I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to pursue a career in which people actually look forward to me and then change their decisions or their opinions on certain things. And I have seen, and over the years I've seen the amount of trust we Indians or we humans personally have on doctors. It's like if doctor says one thing, it's like, okay fine, doctor said this, so we are going to follow this. So that is the amount of trust we have. So that is what I looked forward to. I was like, if I really need to make a difference, I need to become a doctor. So that is what I am more passionate about.
That's beautiful. You selecting Georgia, going away from your home for next 6 years. How are you feeling seeing your sister going so far away from the family, not just for a day or a month? She'll be gone for almost 6 years. So how are you feeling?
I am happy. I'm going to stay away from her. No, I'm just kidding. I am happy for her in a way. Like I always wanted to go out abroad and study, but then I found a good college here, so I opted here. But then now she's going, so I'm happy in a way. Like she gets to go and explore new things. And like, how long are you gonna be stuck in your hometown? You have to at some point go out and explore the world. I'm happy for her.
So what encouraged you to take Georgia itself? Why not other countries?
There are many reasons. We saw all the countries, but then we like the way Georgia is as a country and the way the Georgian city is, the culture over there. It's fun.
How you have been seeing her since her childhood, the way she prepared for the NEET exam and everything. So were you confident that she taking medical course is good, because it definitely involves a lot of dedication, lot of hard work. She also will be stressed sometimes, or let's say most of the times she'll have that emotional breakdown also. So do you think she is a sort of a person who will be able to take everything?
Okay, as her brother, I know the best, and I'm gonna be brutally honest. I think she's not a great student, but what I think is she's a really hard worker, and if she makes up her mind, she can put in the work and she can definitely do it. Even before coming and consulting with Seiko, I asked her one question: can you do it? Do you want to do it? She said, yeah, sure, I am pretty sure. Then I was like, okay, if you are sure, we can go ahead with her.
If there's a confidence in that, yes, there's
if
nothing
she makes
that
up
can
her
stop
mind,
it.
she can put in the work, and when someone puts in the work, they can definitely achieve whatever they
She
want.
definitely will achieve everything that she's desiring in her life. We spoke to Suha, and now we have Suha's mom. It's really an honor to have you here today in this get together, because she is working, but she made sure that she attends her daughter's event. This pre-departure is only made for them, it's not for anyone else, and she came. So I really want to know, ma'am, how are you feeling today, because your daughter, she'll be going to Georgia and she'll be away from you for like 6 years, not continuous, but still she'll be away. So how are you feeling?
First of all, I'm very overwhelmed to say anything. Then everyone will say that it's very great about the parent that you are sending. Actually, I say that it is first decision of my daughter. When she is willing, then only we started this journey. And then after that, my friends, my colleagues, all my relatives, they also all supported me to be with them. And then some merits, demerits we had it. And then later on we were stuck into we are not going to send to Georgia. We will be here only in India. That is the best country to study. And then we will make up the mind. Then later on, when just I was looking for the reels, I got it Meera's reel. So I was very impressed when she was telling it is not at all the point that if you are not be with NEET and all, if it is not good score, no worries, that you will going to have with any abroad, like any institution you can join in any university. Then sorted out some of the universities. In that, first we will go with the agents and consultancies. In that consultancy, Seiko was the very good consultancy, best consultancy I say. And then even my husband who stays in UAE, and then even they refer from the Seiko itself. So Mr. Jafar sir, and then I think Meera, Sunita, they all helped me. So it was actually very tough decision when we wanted to make the decision. It was very tough. And then this is a Meera who actually made me
Thank you. ma'am.
Made me to
I'm
decide.
happy that you all are happy and you're satisfied, because for me, the parents and the student satisfaction means a lot.
It means a lot, and then you all supported. I'm actually very tough when I was speaking. Sometimes I was very tough to Sunita, Meera, and then asking so many questions to them. What about this, and then they never like be harsh, and then they were polite as usual. And then they were, no ma'am, this is the thing, we will call you back. Whenever we given the messages also, they tried to contact us, even if she was in abroad, whenever she was traveling also, she will teach to me that I'll call you back within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And also how she has promised me, she has called me back, and then she follow up me. She didn't irritate me any questions and all. She always answered me. We had so many doubts initially. Now I think even I can consider a person that much I am satisfied, and also I myself can counsel.
That's beautiful. I mean, this is the best feedback that I got from any of the parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meera.
It's,
Thank you. We will be with you another 6 years, and then I think so we will trouble you again and again. Whatever you have shown about the hostel and all, I hope it will be as same as well as you have given. Some changes will be there, some interaction, communication problem will be there, whatever it will be. You people are there as you have promised. I have trust on you people that my daughter will be with you another 6 years.
She will be with us, and she has no option.
Yes. She
Thank
will be
you.
a better and a good doctor.
Yes.
Inshallah.
All the
Thank
best
you.
to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.